Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today I'll show you how to factory reset your Toshiba Android TV step by step. First, make sure your Toshiba Android TV is powered on and showing the home screen. Grab your remote and point it towards your Toshiba Android TV. Press the home button to open the main menu on your Toshiba Android TV. Move to the top right corner where the settings gear appears on your Toshiba Android TV. Select the settings icon to open the full menu of your Toshiba Android TV. Scroll down to find device preferences on your Toshiba Android TV. Click on device preferences to access system options for your Toshiba Android TV. Now scroll until you see the reset option on your Toshiba Android TV. Select reset to begin the factory reset process on your Toshiba Android TV. You'll see a prompt asking to confirm resetting your Toshiba Android TV. Choose Erase Everything to continue restoring your Toshiba Android TV. Your Toshiba Android TV will now begin wiping all settings and data. Keep your Toshiba Android TV powered on during the entire reset process. You'll see the Android recovery screen as your Toshiba Android TV resets. Wait patiently while your Toshiba Android TV completes the reset steps. Once done, your Toshiba Android TV will reboot automatically. After rebooting, the Toshiba Android TV startup logo should appear. Now your Toshiba Android TV will begin initial setup like a brand new device. Choose your language on the Toshiba Android TV welcome screen. Connect your Toshiba Android TV to Wi-Fi when asked. Sign in with your Google account to continue setup on your Toshiba Android TV. Allow the Toshiba Android TV to install any available updates. If your remote wasn't working earlier, repair it now to your Toshiba Android TV. Press and hold the OK and Home buttons together to pair with your Toshiba Android TV. Make sure the indicator light on the Toshiba Android TV responds to the remote. If the remote still doesn't respond, replace the batteries for your Toshiba Android TV remote. Now return to the home screen on your Toshiba Android TV to verify the reset worked. Try opening YouTube to test app performance on your Toshiba Android TV. If apps freeze, restart your Toshiba Android TV from the menu. Press and hold the power button on the Toshiba Android TV remote. Select Restart when it appears on your Toshiba Android TV screen. Once your Toshiba Android TV reboots, continue testing apps. Check HDMI ports if an external device wasn't detected on your Toshiba Android TV. Unplug the HDMI cable from your Toshiba Android TV to inspect it. Reconnect the cable firmly into the HDMI port on your Toshiba Android TV. Switch input sources using the input button on your Toshiba Android TV remote. If you see no signal, try a different HDMI port on your Toshiba Android TV. Clean dust from the ports on your Toshiba Android TV using a soft cloth. Power cycle the Toshiba Android TV by unplugging it from the wall. Leave the Toshiba Android TV unplugged for 30 seconds. Plug the Toshiba Android TV back in and wait for it to turn on. This refreshes internal components on your Toshiba Android TV. Now check if performance on your Toshiba Android TV has improved. Return once again to settings on your Toshiba Android TV. Verify that your Toshiba Android TV storage and apps look normal. Try installing one new app to confirm your Toshiba Android TV is stable. Open the newly installed app to test responsiveness on your Toshiba Android TV. Your Toshiba Android TV is now fully reset and ready to use again. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes. Enjoy your fixed Toshiba Android TV.